County in western Massachusetts, central Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Worthington, or 15 miles west of Northampton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, Greenfield, Deerfield, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Montague, Granby, Southampton, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Northfield, Williamsburg, Huntington, Buckland, Conway, and Shelburne. Severe